B, B. B is for banana. Banana.
Banana. I would love to eat banana.
Bananas grow on trees like apples. Look at that, in a very big bunch. These are the people cutting the bananas off the trees. They load them onto a truck, and then they take them to a place where they cut them up into small bunches, and then they take them to the market. Look at all those bananas. And they're also in the supermarket. Look at that. Monkeys like bananas. Yeah, and you can put them in your cereal or on your pancakes.
Banana smoothie.
You make it in the blender. Banana is yellow on the outside and sort of white on the inside, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. You want to try that? Okay. Can you put it in? Scrape it in? With your hand. There you go. There you go. Going!
B. Banana.
B, banana.
B. B is for bear. Bear.
That's a black bear. There's all kinds of bears. So look, this one's actually having a bath in a pool. Look, he's playing with the stick.
Yeah, playing with a stick.
This is a brown bear. Oh, look at him. What's he doing?
He's climbing a tree.
He's climbing a tree. Looks like quite a young bear. He's climbing the tree. And that's a white bear. Do you know what that one is? That's a polar bear.
That's a polar.
They come from the Arctic where it's very cold.
That's the sea.
That's the sea, that's right. He's swimming in the sea. Look at him scratching his ear. And now he's getting out. He's going to dry himself with a big shake, I think. Let's see.
B. Bear.
B. B is for bus. Bus.
Bus.
Bus, that's right. Some bus, they go in the countryside and they take people from town to town.
Double bus.
Right, come again now.
Seven.
You want to hold it?
Seven, Dada. The 337.
Oh.
Dada, you press that bell when you stop here. That's a bendy bus. And that's another bendy bus. Ooh, another one. That was so long.
And this one is a sightseeing bus.
Sightseeing bus. Oh, the cow bus! Cool bus! It's driving out of the garage, Dada.
So many types of buses. And oh, look at this. This is a minibus. It's going to the seaside, maybe.
It's going to the beach.
Going to the beach. Bus.
B. B is for blacksmith. Blacksmith.
Yeah, look at that hot fire. Those are coals, charcoals. Look, they put the metal horseshoe into the charcoal to make it really hot. And then they hammer it. Look at that. They hammer it to make the shape. This is another one. That's a long one. Look, he's just taken it out. And now the blacksmith is hammering it to make it into the shape that he wants. Look at the sparks coming off that. It's very hot. Blacksmith work in very hot area.
Blacksmith.